We'll have to wait and see.
You said don't worry about the money.
Change your plans.
What are you doing, man? This is my career. Always dreamed of playing in the league.
Did you? Is that what you dreamt of when you were on the court with Spence? Because he said he was always having to dig you out of some girl's room, away from some hangout.
I was a kid, fam. That's what kids in New York do during summer camps. Girls in the Heights like you more if they know you're gonna be gone in the fall. Look, all I'm saying is I was serious about the game then, and I'm serious about the game now.
Hey, E, this didn't mess up your chances with the team. Your contract is only pending because of the lockout. Now, as soon as the owners and the PA come to an agreement, your check will move from escrow to your account.
Now they think I'm trying to pimp pickup games, Ray.
Come on, E. Did you just hear me, man? Huh? You are not currently legally bound to them. You are in the sweet spot. Now, you have a chance, sir, to do what has never been done before. We are disruptors, you, me, and Umber.
So you trying to rep him too?
Why you think so small? Man, you didn't feel it when you snatched that ball out of Jamero's hand. When he thought he had you crossed up and you picked his pockets, you didn't feel it. Man, the whole world stopped. Those two kids that were watching, they haven't stopped dancing and selfieing since. You didn't see it. Man, when a million faces that would normally record the game and fast forward to the good parts, when they had to hear about it at the water cooler, man, I knew right then that we had their ass. We had something that they can't bottle up. What would you pay to be at an event so exclusive that you could only catch glimmers of it on Snapchat and YouTube?
YouTube?
Facebook calls, and they said they would pay you and Umber for streaming rights to your one-on-one.
How much?
Don't matter, I told them no.
Fuck you do that for?
Because Netflix wants to sit down tomorrow. Only thing they don't have is live streaming, but we can lead their market. The money would go direct to YouTube. No players association, no league.
It's 10% for you in taxes, right?
Eric, it ain't about the money, man. We're talking about money because that's what makes them listen and pay attention. But this makes you the decider, brother. The game that they made over the game is over. It's your game now, if you want it. Oh, come on, Southside. We don't need the league, man. We don't need the Players Association. Let them battle that shit out over network rights and splits for the next few months while you, me, and a few others, we wreck shop, paid event by event, like
boxing.
But without the brain damage.
Umber, he in?
What you think?